Hello my dear students. So number system going on. We have done Hindu-Arabic system. We have done the international system. Now we will learn today the comparison of the numbers. Which number is bigger, which number is smaller, right? You'll get an idea, and same time we can compare the international and the Indian system numbers also. Getting my point? So let's get onto the board. Just look on the board, focus there and listen to me very sincerely and attentively. You will easily understand this topic also, right? Thank you. So students, as you can see on the board, we are having comparison of numbers. If you apply a little bit of common sense, you can easily understand that the number with less digits is always less than the number with more digits. Now second point is, suppose we have to compare two numbers having the same number of digits, then we shall proceed as follows. First, you must compare the digits at the leftmost place in both the numbers. If these are equal in value, then compare the second digit from the left. If the second digit from the left are also equal, then you need to compare the third digits from the left, and you need to continue until you come across unequal digits at a corresponding place. So clearly the number with the greater digit at that particular place will be the greater number of the two. I think this is very clear. As you see on the board, you see the example 1, which is written at the bottom actually. If you take a careful look, you will realize that the first digit 7 is common in both the numbers, but the second digit, in the first number it is 8 and in the second number it is 7. So the second number is definitely smaller than the first one. Similarly, in example 2, if you see, the third digit is smaller in the second number. Same way, in the third example, if you see, the fourth digit is smaller, and so on as you move from example 4 to 5 to 6. So I think it is very clear that you just need to compare the digits at respective places. Then the number with the smaller digit at that particular place will be the smaller number of the two numbers given. So I hope you have got a clear idea about this comparison. So now you need to practice more sums, as many sums as possible, right? So thank you for today. Thank you class. Have a nice time. Keep enjoying studies and keep learning something new on daily basis. That is the secret to enjoy studies. Thank you. Bye-bye. Love you all. See you soon tomorrow with a new topic, estimation, which means approximation. Thank you.